This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm in an iconic location in the Gold Coast on Astor Street at Astor House. Looking south toward the Mag Mile, a sliver view of the lake, short walk to Oak Street Beach from here and Oak Street Boutiques. Panning around for a lookout toward the west, because I'm in a southwest corner unit, looking out over State Street and the building that formerly housed the Playboy Mansion. It's a great room here. Ton of living and dining space, and just a fabulously upgraded kitchen. Astor House has undergone a complete makeover, and the finishes here are as good as you're going to find anywhere in downtown Chicago. It's a very wide island with a breakfast bar lip, quartz counters, waterfall effect, quartz backsplash, stainless steel appliance package, a ton of cabinet and pantry space here. Cabinets have both shelving and pull-out drawers. There's an under-cabinet microwave, cooktop, and a separate oven. Wide coat closet where you would have entered the unit. Track and pendant lighting in the kitchen and a wine cabinet. Heading toward the bedroom wing. Second bedroom. It's a good size for a second. Closet has custom organizers. And then heading toward the second bath, there's a stainless steel front-loading washer-dryer and a closet adjacent to it. Bath has very attractive finishes. It's tiled floor to ceiling all around. Chrome frame mirror. Back of drawers in the vanity. There's a rain shower head. Terrific finishes throughout the unit. Master is very generously sized. You can fit any size bed in here and have plenty of room for a master retreat seating area. Wall of closets. Again, you're facing south here, so you're going to have great light. And then heading into the master bath, there's a walk-in shower, two banks of drawers in the vanity. Again, the same chrome trim mirror that you saw in the guest bath, and a large rain shower head. Astor House has a terrific location. It's a boutique building, steps to everything location, a rooftop pool. Really fabulous job on the new finishes here. Put Astor House high on your must-see list when you're looking for that very special place in the Gold Coast. Head to the building's website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.